it's a difficult time anytime someone loses a loved one. And sometimes one of the last things that a loved one's even thinking about is legal problems or challenges. However, when someone dies, there may be a responsible party for their death. In other words, someone else might have caused their untimely death, and they may be held responsible under the law to pay certain monetary damages associated with that death.
Well, I think it's really important in a wrongful death case that you hire the right lawyer, because certain things have to happen immediately. I realize for the family it's a very difficult situation because they're grieving their loved one. And unfortunately, at the same time that they're grieving their loved one, evidence starts to disappear. If it happened on a road, the conditions of the road may have changed, signs may have been moved, and so unfortunately, you have to move quickly. And so even though they're grieving, something has to be done, and you hire a lawyer to be sure that you photograph and document either the road or the product, whatever it was involved. It's also important that you get an expert involved from the very beginning so that they can go take a look at the scene or look at the product, because over time things change.
For instance, if a young father who's taking care of his family is killed early in life as a result of someone else's negligence, that company or those individuals should be held responsible to help pay the family the money that they're going to lose as a result of losing their caregiver.
You should call an attorney anytime you're going to be making a claim for any injury or loss you may have suffered. And so that means that you most likely will be dealing with an insurance company, and the insurance company is not going to have your interests at heart. They're going to look out for their interests first.
Your highest calling as an attorney is the opportunity to stand up for the voiceless and to stand up for someone who may not realize that they have rights, and that their rights are as important as any other person's rights, whether it be a person or a corporation. We're all equal in front of the law under our system of justice.
You really need a lawyer to help guide you through the process, because no matter what you do, in the insurance company eyes, it's going to be wrong. If you wait too long to go to a lawyer and you end up filing a claim, the insurance company is going to say, well, why did you wait so long? And if you hire a lawyer too soon, they're going to tell you, well, you hired a lawyer really soon because, you want money.
Well, I lost my father when I was 13 years old. So I know what it's like as a child to lose your father. And I know that it's hard enough to be a child, but when I see children that have lost a parent, I can relate to them, I think, in a special way, because I've been through it.
One of the things that we do is we help families sort out if there are legal claims, if so, who's responsible, and then pursuing those aggressively so that we can try to help the family get back on track financially, and also provide them support and encouragement at a very difficult time in their lives.